Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are reviewing Tronlink Wallet, a popular wallet for managing Tron-based assets. So if you are considering using Tronlink in 2025, this video will break down its features, security, and whether it is the right fit for you. So without further delay, let's dive in. So Tronlink Wallet is a non-custodial wallet specially designed for the Tron blockchain. It allows users to store, manage, and interact with Tron-based assets like TRX and other tokens. With support for the decentralized applications, Tronlink is tailored to the users who are deeply involved in the Tron ecosystem and the DeFi's. If I talk about some of its features and pros, so the Tronlink is optimized for the Tron blockchain, supporting TRX and various TRC10 and TRC20 tokens. It is perfect for the users who are active in the Tron ecosystem and who want a wallet that's fully integrated with it. Tronlink Wallet has a simple, intuitive interface as well, which makes it very easy to navigate for beginners and for the experienced users. So whether you are sending or receiving TRX, swapping tokens, and interacting with dApps, everything is straightforward in the application. Tronlink includes a built-in dApp browser, allowing you to seamlessly interact with the Tron-based decentralized applications without leaving the wallet. So this feature makes it especially appealing to DeFi users and dApp developers. Tronlink is a non-custodial, meaning that you can control your private keys, and Tronlink is available on both mobile and browser extension versions. Now, if I talk about some of its cons in a nutshell, while it is excellent for the Tron users, it doesn't support other blockchains or other assets. As with any mobile wallet, it's essential to be cautious about the security of your device. Now, if you want me to create a detailed tutorial on the Tronlink wallet, then you can let me know in the comments. In a nutshell, if I talk about my final thoughts on it, so the Tronlink wallet is a great option for those users who are actively involved in the Tron ecosystem, because it is mainly focused on the Tron-based assets, dApps, integrations, and user-friendly interface. Makes it a solid choice for those who are looking for the streamlined experience with the TRX and the Tron's token. However, if you are looking for a multi-blockchain support or a wallet for other cryptocurrencies, Tronlink might not be the right fit. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.